Hey everyone, let's go have our outdoor picnic. It's raining. Raining? Guess we won't be able to have our outdoor picnic, Ernie. I know! We can have an indoor picnic! Right there! Oh, okay! The rain making dun 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 when the river started flowing. The rain making dun 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 when the silver started sailing. The water came to Maggie's house and the house was drowning quickly. And Maggie said with a serious look, I hate floods! She knew it wasn't funny, except for a bubbly eye. When she sucked on the water, she died by number 5. And the flood was getting bigger, and the bigger it went.
The sun did not shine. It was too wet to play. So we sat in the house on the cold wet day.
Man, this day doesn't seem to be the perfect day to go outside and play ball.
It's raining, it's pouring, the man in the moon is snoring. He went to bed with a cold in his head and he won't get up till morning.
I know what your song means, Erika. It's definitely raining.
Wow. I didn't know it was gonna rain today. No playground, no picnics, no going to the park or flying an airplane outside.
Erika, Yuri, your s'mores are ready. I just watched the news. The news reporter had announced that it was about to rain, and now it's raining already.
Yuri, would you like some hot cocoa with marshmallows?
No thanks, Dad.
There's a thunderstorm approaching. We'd better turn off all the electronics.
Sounds like an idea, Dad, but I should wash my hands before we do this. Hey. Mom? Where are you?
Erika says Sajima was feeling very alone in the dark and she decided she would try and turn the lights back on herself. Erika didn't understand how the lights could turn off all by themselves. But the reason why she couldn't turn them back on was that she felt very afraid.
Mom!
I'm coming, Erika.
The lights aren't working, Mom.
Well, that's because the thunderstorm has caused a power failure.
What's that?
Well, it's because there's no electricity, so the lights are unable to work. Let's go in the kitchen. Takuya has a menorah full of candles. Takuya, the thunderstorm has burned all of our electronics.
At least my phone still works. Let's go on YouTube.
Oh, no internet! Come on, baby, give me some internet pop! I need a little better buzz! Good, good! Aha! Now there's 3! Now there's 2! Now there's 1! Now there's none!
Oh well, I guess I can't go on YouTube and watch anything.
Come on, Erika. We are going to the basement to get some more flashlights.
Erika was excited to help her mom get the flashlights in the basement.
Be careful. It's pitch black down there.
Are you sure you want to stay on top of the stairs, Erika? The basement doesn't look so dark.
No thanks. I'm just trying to be brave.
Well then. I'll just get the flashlights myself.
Be careful, Mom.
Erika was trying to be brave, but she didn't like sitting alone in the dark.
Mom?
It's okay, Erika. Oh no, my candle is out. I'm sure the flashlights were right here somewhere.
I can't see anything.
I found them. That wasn't so scary, right, Erika?
You betcha.
Let's tell a spooky story. Once upon a frightening time, there once was a ghost named Casper who lived in a haunted house. The ghost's friends were a vampire, a witch, a mummy and a werewolf. One day, Casper saw some gum on the ground. Just then he said to his friends, "Who'll help me make the haunted gum?" But all of his friends said, "No." "Then I'll do it myself," said Casper. And he made the haunted gum without any help at all.
Later, after the rain passed away.
Looks like the rain's gone. Come on, Erika. Let's go to the playground.
Well, Takuya, that was the end of the storm, wasn't it?
It sure was.